right? She's a dream. Hello, hello, hello from Ellicottville. I am here with a number of ladies.
Hey!
You've heard about Missy before. I've mentioned her on my channel before. She is the pothead parent. I love you twerking in the back. We're all getting like settled in to this insane mansion we are staying at. We're like on the upper porch.
We're here for a girls' getaway weekend, so I figured I would show you guys
the vibes, introduce you to everyone. This is where Missy and I are gonna be sleeping. Let's wait for the light to adjust. Okay, so I've got my stuff here. Missy's gonna be there. Ah! This is our living room area, and you guys can meet Tracy. Hi. Look, like this is just unbelievable. Look how gorgeous, and I'll get better footage, but just to kick it off, this place is huge. Like this living room is insane. It's insane. Abby I don't know where Abby is, but she is the woman who like literally organized all of this.
She got the hookup, she found this place for us.
It's incredible. We just ordered some pizza because Courtney, who is also somewhere in this huge ass mansion we're staying in.
I know, it's like find her.
Exactly. It's like, I don't know how I'm gonna even find them, but I will introduce them to the vlog later. Courtney hooked us up with a gift card to a local pizza place, so we just placed an order
for some pizza, so we've got pizza coming. It's a dream. We're gonna
do some fun stuff tomorrow. I think we've got zip lining lined up. We have a lot of really exciting things, so I figured why not bring you along for a fun girls' getaway in Ellicottville. This place is huge. Like, there's a full-blown little like children's room with a crib. Here's another bedroom with a bathroom attached. I'm trying to give you guys a little tour. So this is Missy and my room. And then you can go and you can come up to like a little sitting area, which overlooks the main area.
Right, and so...
Lacey, you want to say hi to the vlog?
Right.
There's Lacey, she's a nurse. Here's Courtney.
Hi.
And I'm gonna find Abby, I'm gonna find her. She's somewhere in this house. Okay, so you come down the stairs. This is like the entrance. You can come here to the left where there is a sauna. Also a room with 2 beds here. I think Courtney and Lacey might be staying in this room. You can also come downstairs to the basement, play some ping pong, hang on the couch. This is chaotic, but so am I. Trying to give you the full freaking tour. I cannot wait to get into that sauna. Oh my God. Little sitting room. Another bedroom. And then another
bedroom, like a bunk bed situation. So,
and they're like full-size beds. So literally 1, 2, 3, 4. This place can easily, comfortably sleep at least 14 people, like without even a blink.
and then if you've got, oh wait, 14, 16, at least 15 I think, without even a blink, maybe even 16.
And then it's like if there are kids and stuff like that and they're sharing those beds, you could literally easily fit like 20 plus people. It's insane. This place is huge.
Like not your feel. You didn't do that. She's like, it's a hard pass. No.
Okay. She said, I don't want a bro.
A bro.
And he thinks he's like, what? No, I didn't ever know what. No.
Make a little greens. I need more light. I know, the light's like. Happy Saturday! So it is 8:17.
I just had my athletic greens.
We've been up for like 45-ish minutes. Slept in, which felt nice. I just realized actually I need to take
Pills for the day.
these need to be taken with food. So I need to wait for a few of them. But I'm gonna take my pills. And we realized there are a few little things
Extra.
that we need for the house. We probably need to go get some waters, like just a few like a thing of bottles of water, so that we can all have water when we go out today to do like a zip lining thing, which I'm not gonna do. I'm gonna just like hang by the side with Tracy because both of us have neck problems and stuff, and I'm like, yeah, I'm not gonna
risk it. I'm not gonna like go zip lining and then end up really hurting my neck.
So that is the plan. So Missy and I are gonna go
To the store to go get a few things.
and then we're gonna get ready for the day.
Next night we make history. Speaking of 80s songs.
I need salt.
Oh, Abby and I were laughing about your first introduction to each other, Julia.
Which one?
Mine and Abby's?
Yes. No, this is physics. This is physics. My phone's not going to stay there.
Oh, yes.
My phone's not going to stay there. I'm sorry.
I literally have that on my vlog.
We were laughing about that and she's like, I have hope, and you're like, I believe in your hope, and I don't believe in. I also believe in science, and this is not gonna work.
Here is the cutest. I don't know if I'll regret saying this, but here's the cutest photo area, like in this woods. Like if you could probably see it behind. Oh, no, you gotta go outside. But there's a chairlift.
We are getting ready to go out. We are going to like a ropes coursey kind of a thing. We're going like zip lining and stuff. I'm not going zip lining, but that's the plan.
Oh, fine.
That's so fun.
This would make you feel better.
So we're all finishing getting ready. I'll show you my little
Outfit of the day.
flip the.
I'm calling you Miss Rachel from now
I'm
on.
wearing my Gymshark leggings, Bill sweatshirt, Nike Metcons, my rec sweat, socks. Just like brushed out my hair so that it doesn't look like shit. And yeah, I might put on like a tiny bit of makeup. The tiniest little bit. Like a little blush or something to like look a little alive. We are at Sky High Adventure. All the girls are suited up in their harnesses, ready to go.
Getting ready.
Are you excited?
Yes. Oh my gosh, it's so much fun. I've done it once and it's challenging, really makes you work, and it's so much fun. It's an adventure, of course.
I'm excited. I'm excited to watch them. I am not participating.
Because I don't want to mess up my neck, and because someone needs to take content of these girls up.
On the things, doing the things. So we're gonna get photos, videos, all the things. I'm super excited to see them all do this stuff. I did one of these when I was in the Adirondacks years ago with my family, and it's super fun. It really is, it's really challenging. But I woke up with like way too much stiffness in my neck and shoulders, and I'm like, you know what? I'm not in the mood to physically injure my body today. I wanna feel good.
It's not worth
Tweaking my neck, that then could like literally mean that I need to rest and can't move my body for like weeks. So, I'm excited to watch them do their thing, and I'm excited to just like walk around this gorgeous area. Like, it's just beautiful. It's a beautiful course. It's a really nice day. The sun is starting to come out, so it's gonna be really fun.
Sure.
It's coming down.
And I have another bag.
Oh,
as
okay,
well.
cool.
Or more than a bag. If you guys want to, one of you would like to step in.
I'll try it. That is awesome.
Cool.
Look at how pretty.
Sorry, guys.
Oh, up here.
There's more right there.
We just got back from, where were we?
What's it called?
Sky High Adventure Park.
Yes.
and we're gonna relax for a little bit, hang out, and then head over to Villaggio for dinner. So I will pick this back up when we're getting ready and going over to Villaggio. Come in. Oh, what's that?
Does this belong to you?
No.
Oh, that was, what's her name? Something.
Lacey?
Yeah.
Okay.
We are all getting ready. I did my makeup and I am mostly dressed. Hold on, I'll show you the full look. Let's get, and actually I'm gonna step outside and make sure I'm gonna be warm enough and make sure I like the outfit, even though I didn't really bring a backup, so it's kind of like whatever.
I better like it, cause
If I don't, it sucks to suck.
so. Oh, I think it'll be fine. Oh, it's nice and warm out. Okay.
So this is the look. I'm wearing this burgundy dress with this little moto jacket, little black bag, my docs. This is the look.
This is the outfit of the night.
Fun little girls dinner. We're going for Italian. I'm super excited. It's gonna be so fun. And yeah, I have not worn this dress in so freaking long. It's honestly like very outside my comfort zone, but I figured
Why not wear a little bit of a different outfit?
yeah, I'm like, honestly, the more and more I'm standing in it, the more I'm vibing with it.
Kind of like biker chick meets, I don't know.
It's like a not my typical outfit, but I've been having so much fun playing around with different fashion and stuff and just like
Figuring out.
how to play around with different outfits and stuff with different pieces in my closet. Like I'm definitely gonna donate or try and sell this dress on Poshmark. But before I did, I was like, why not take it out for one last spin? So this is the outfit for the night set. Oh my God. This sunset right now. Honestly, this clip doesn't do it justice, but like it, oh my God.
Yeah. You don't do that.
The camera like doesn't do it justice, honestly, but it is so gorgeous.
Never does. Because we're not supposed to.
Oh, that's about to piss my pants.
I really need to pee too.
What happened to your kid?
We are back from dinner. It was so much fun. It was delicious. Villaggio went above and beyond for us. They really are unbelievable. The service was a 15 out of 10. They were so sweet, really accommodating to the gluten-free diet. They brought out so many good apps. I didn't bring a camera, so you guys will have to look at my Instagram to see all the delicious food from Villaggio because I wanted to just capture it on my phone, be in the moment.
But oh my God, they brought out risotto bites, Nani's meatball, which is like their famous meatball they've won awards for.
They brought out an amazing Brussels sprouts app. So freaking good. And then they brought out entrees of like osso buco, a whole rack of what I think was lamb, an amazing spaghetti dish, lobster mac and cheese, and they ended the dinner with a chocolate cake. Like they just went above and beyond, really treated us, and I just feel so grateful for their hospitality and their kindness. And it has just been such a fun and lovely girls weekend. It's been so fun to get all of this quality time with these amazing women who I don't get to spend this much time with, and especially Missy. Like Missy and I have been meeting at coffee shops and like talking about plans of working together, spending more time together, and to get this time together has just been invaluable. So I just feel so grateful. My heart feels so freaking full. And this feels like the perfect place to end off the girls' getaway weekend in Ellicottville, because honestly, we're gonna hang at the house tonight. We're gonna use the sauna possibly. We're gonna just like soak it all in and then head out early tomorrow. So yeah, I am gonna end the video here, but if you guys liked it, hit the thumbs up and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos, and I'll see you in the next one.